Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a really short video on how to use and import PDF stickers to use in GoodNotes, as well as how to make your own if that is something that you're interested in. So I'm going to just jump right in and get straight to the point. I'm sorry if you hear weird noises because the kids are being crazy downstairs and my cats are weirdly staring at me. So this is my screen. So I'm going to go into GoodNotes first and just show you. So there's multiple ways that you can download stickers whenever you get them from an Etsy shop. So sometimes they come like this, where it's on a sheet, or like this one, where I actually purchased this one off of this Etsy shop. So you can get it either of these ways, or sometimes you get it in a folder. So like, for example, you get them as like separate files. So if you want to use something that you got as like a separate file, so like here is a blank page. So what you are going to do is you can keep all of these in whatever folder they're in, and actually you can just go ahead and drag them and drop them wherever you want. So that is what that would look like. Or if you're like on a weekly page, for example, I mean, this is a other kit that I got, so I have like different folders for the different categories. But say I wanted to import some of these, so like if I wanted to do headers, I could do like this, and you can put it wherever you want. And these are already PNG files, meaning that it has a transparent background. And then, or you could get them like this, where they're already on a sheet. And this is actually from my Etsy shop. So if you want to put something from one of these sheets onto your planner, what you do is you use this lasso tool right here, and you circle whichever thing that you want. So let's say I want to circle meeting. You circle it. You can hit share and hit copy, and pretty much you just paste it, and you can paste it wherever you want. So similar to the other one. Or sometimes you can use the lasso tool again, and you circle it, and you don't have to actually circle the whole sticker, you just have to lasso on the part that you want. So it may come up as just regular copy, and same thing, you just paste it wherever it is that you want to put it. Okay, so now I'm going to get into how to create your own stickers if that is something that you're interested in. So the easiest way is using Procreate. And I know that not everyone has iPads, so I will also show you another way. But if you are an iPad user and you go into Procreate, I don't think the size matters, whatever you want. I just do screen size. So like, let's say I just want to draw like like a cute thing. So in order to make this a sticker, all I have to do is go up here to the layers, turn off or uncheck that background color, go to this little toolbar and hit share image as a PNG. So PNG is what you want to use whenever making stickers, and then you just save it as an image. And then, whenever you go back into Procreate, you can use that image, and it is ready to be used and placed wherever you want. And then if you want to get rid of some of that extra space that we had on there, all you have to do is go up to the crop tool, and you can just crop it down to whatever size makes it easier for you. And all will be well, and you can use it anywhere. If that is something you want to do, you can also add like these little elements, and then those will get like saved into different categories, so you can pretty much have them ready to use whenever. Another way that I know you can make stickers is using Canva, but I do think that Canva requires you to have Canva Pro if you are going to be making an image with a transparent background. So I'm going to go into Canva. I just made this a little 2x2, just empty blank page. And you can pretty much make a lot of different designs, actually, just pretty much using shapes that are already on here. So like, let's say I wanted to make this. this, let's say I wanted to make a habit tracker. So, I'm going to go up here, I'm going to change it to, let's do pink, might as well. So I want it to be pink. It's lagging a little bit, so sorry. Okay. But like, and it doesn't matter where you place this or really what you're doing with it. So now I have this. What I can do is I can like do this, and then I can use like this circle, make it white, and you can like copy and paste this or use it anywhere that you would like. So I'm like using my pen right now, so it's a little bit annoying to use, honestly. So like, let's say like I wanted to make this like a little habit tracker kind of deal. 2, 3, 4. I don't think it's long enough. That's okay. You can make it a little bit longer. Whoops, wrong thing. But you get the idea. This is obviously is not very pretty because I'm not really trying to make this, but you get the idea. Basically, I'm pretty sure you do have to have Canva Pro for this. But for anything that you do on Canva, you're just going to go up to this arrow, like this little export button, and hit save with transparent background. And you have to save it with a transparent background, otherwise it'll have like that white background behind it. If you don't have Canva, I know you can just save it as an image, and there are actually probably several different applications you can like download from the Apple Store or probably from the Google Play Store that will help you get rid of that background. And I will try to look that up and see what I can find and write it down in the description, but I know that there are other apps that can help you get rid of that background. So if you want to do Canva, that is a perfectly good option. It's not really that expensive, but it is really useful if you do want to start making some of your own designs. So that is pretty much all that I have. But please let me know if I wasn't specific enough about anything or if you have another question. And I hope that you enjoyed the video.